The Tesla app's 500 server error is an HTTP status code that indicates an internal server error on Tesla's side. This isn't a problem with your phone or internet. It's an issue on Tesla's end. As of December 2025, these errors are often tied to high-demand periods like new vehicle deliveries or software updates. Tesla's app relies on a centralized cloud infrastructure to handle millions of API requests from vehicles, apps, and energy products worldwide. This centralized system processes everything from remote vehicle controls to charging schedules, but it can become overwhelmed during peak usage. Tesla's rapid user growth presents scalability challenges. With over 7 million vehicles worldwide as of 2025, servers face strain during high-volume events like new model deliveries or holiday surges. Complex software updates, such as full self-driving improvements, require back-end changes that can introduce temporary glitches during deployment. External factors like DDoS attacks, regional internet outages, or unexpected maintenance can also overload Tesla's servers, leading to 500 errors. These scalability challenges, software complexity, and external threats combine to create the server instability that causes 500 errors for Tesla users. When you encounter a 500 error, start with these quick fixes. First, refresh the Tesla app or completely restart your mobile device. Next, try clearing the app's cache. On most phones, this is found in Settings, Apps, Tesla, Storage, Clear Cache. Try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out any local network connectivity issues. These steps often resolve temporary glitches. Before diving deeper, check if the problem is widespread. Use third-party tools like Down Detector or Is It Down Right Now to see if other Tesla users are reporting outages. These sites often show spikes in reported issues when Tesla's servers are down. Also, monitor Tesla's official status page, status.tesla.com, for any announcements regarding server maintenance or outages. If the 500 error persists after trying troubleshooting steps, it's time to contact Tesla support through the app or website. Be aware that wait times can be long, especially during peak outage periods. When contacting support, provide details such as the error message, when the issue started, and the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. This helps them diagnose the problem faster. Looking ahead, experts predict improved app reliability through Tesla's Unified Software Stack initiative, aiming to consolidate apps across vehicles, energy, and robotics. Potential advancements include decentralized server architectures to reduce single-point failures. AI-powered predictive maintenance helps preempt errors by analyzing data and predicting issues. As of 2025, Tesla is also investing in edge computing to process data closer to users, and AI-driven load balancing to reduce API error rates by predicting and optimizing network traffic. While Tesla App 500 errors are often unavoidable, staying informed and understanding error codes can help mitigate frustration. Subscribe to Tesla's status alerts to get notified about server issues before they affect you. Monitor community forums for workarounds and shared experiences from other Tesla owners. Learn about error codes and practice proactive troubleshooting when issues arise. These strategies are part of the EV ownership learning curve. By staying informed and proactive, you can minimize the impact of server-side issues on your Tesla experience.